Traders Union indicates a potential 2% gain for Uniswap by May 26. Before we dive in, let's take a look at the market right now. Uniswap is showing a 1.4% loss since yesterday and now trades close to $3.405. Here come 5 views from analysts. CoinLore's data implies a dip to $3.35 by May 26, suggesting a decline of about 1.6%. Coin price forecast projects Uniswap will move higher toward $3.41, implying a gain of 0.1%. Gov Capital Collector highlights the potential to move upward to $3.44, a projected rise of 1%. Another estimate from Traders Union highlights Uniswap might advance toward $3.472, about 2% above now. And in closing, CoinDataFlow expects $3.61 by tomorrow, representing a gain of 6%. This forecast has the highest return potential. We've covered the analysts. Let's see what's beyond. Let's now shift from forecasts to expected outcomes. According to all forecasts, price movement could span from a decrease of 1.6% to a gain of 6%. When everything is tallied, CoinDataFlow has the top return with 6% escalation in value by May 26. That means you could earn between $1 and $60 for every $1,000 you invest. When we talk about probability, Coin Price Forecast tops the list with a 95.6% chance of success. By pulling the forecast together, I've set out a consensus scenario. Consensus estimates indicate Uniswap trading near $3.456. Here's what it looks like up close. The consensus expectation is for an increase of 1.5%. In other words, your capital could also see an increase of 1.5%, reflecting that same shift. With 1,000, the number suggests a possible $15 more. The likelihood that the consensus outcome will hold true is around 91.5%. So now, let's take a look at how analysts predict the price direction over the next 3 days. CoinLore suggests bearish momentum will dominate. For the near term, Coin Price Forecast sees the price staying level. Gov Capital Collector emphasizes selling pressure dominating. Traders Union believes Uniswap is on track to rise further. In this forecast, additionally, CoinDataFlow describes a rising path. The consensus highlights muted conditions, keeping Uniswap close to where it is now. Overall, 60% of forecasts highlight a higher path for Uniswap. 5 forecasts were shared 2 days ago. Yesterday provided the results to evaluate. In the end, the closing candle marked $3.386. 4 out of 5 forecasts pointed the right way. If the focus is accuracy, CoinCodex was ahead of the rest. Time to line things up. The candle limits contained 2 forecasts. When it comes to ROI, several forecasts showed profits, and CoinLore reached 1.2%, the highest among them. Now appearing on screen is the full results overview. All forecasts fact-checked. For comparison, CoinDataFlow reached 0.2% ROI and accuracy. Try to find the analyst that stayed most in sync with the market. Now let's see how the predicted profitability for tomorrow varies between Uniswap and other assets. At number 1 is Uniswap, leading all other coins with 1.5% in forecasted profitability. Here you can see Uniswap compared with 4 random cryptocurrencies. You can find more forecasts and updates on my website. Subscribe now so you're not the one hearing about the next big move too late. Talk to you in the next data review.